First time ko. Dapat sabay kami. Kaya lang. Uwi. Magpa-birthday kasi siya ng September 5. So, gusto niya. Ako ang dating niya parang pinaka... Ano niya ba? Yung... Kasi wala siya eh. So, ako yung... Parang ano yan niya. Palit. Sabay parang palit katawan. Representative ka na.
Saan ka dito sa Philippines?
Sa ano ko na Baliches? Quezon City. Ano kami nito? Magna 9 months pa lang kami nito, September 8. Kaya first time ko mamimit ang family.
First time pa pumunta Leyte.
First time. Hindi mo na ako lumalay yung gampang kasi na lang naabot yun. Hindi, pinakamalayo Bicol yata, isang beses lang. Pero yung talagang sumakay ng aeroplano, sumakay ng barko. Diyos ko. Ayun lang. Hindi, wala pa akong tulog. Sobrang excited, kuya. Wala na.
First time
Wala na akong malis ako sa bayan ka ngayon. Hindi pa natulog. Ayun na siya. Daddy! We're not yet. I call you if we are already there. Then I will focus the camera so that you can see until we get in the ladies' hang. Then I open my other phone for my own vlog. I put in the front of the car so that my phone for vlogging is always focused. And this one, the one have internet, I focus this for you while we're going there to your house in ladies' hang. Yan, sabi mo kuya, ano na?
Issue na.
Kuya told me if we are in the, what's the place?
Issue school.
Fisher School. That is, we will start video until we get in the ladies' hang, daddy. Okay? May island ako nasa maleta eh. Hindi rin pwede kasi ano. Gagawin ako. Ano ba mga kapatong ba yan? Pwede? Wala eh. Yan. Yan. Teka lang, sandali. Ito, na-disgrasya to sa ano. Nabasag to sa may... Ano ba kami nang nabasag to? Nasa lugar na kami, Cebu. Nag-CR kami sa Cebu. Eh, meron pinablog ko rin. Meron isang janitress ng tagalinis ng CR na sinashoutout na kami. Nakita kami mga vlogger. Lumapit. So, di ginagit. May stick. Ano ko eh, nakatigit sa stick. Stick na nalaglag, natanggal, bumagsak sa ano, sa mga pagkabagsak niya. Ayun o, bumigay yung dulo. Pero okay pa naman siya. Kaya lang.
Vision natin.
Ito na?
Vision na.
Wait, dati ka lang tawagan ko lang si dati. Teka lang kuya, sasagin mo na. Sandali, sandali. Okay, asan na ba? Sandali. Oh. Ito na yung school.
Oo.
Ito na yung school eh. Kaya ito yung harap ko. Daddy! house of Auntie Angelina, Daddy? Yeah, I smell the aircon. We're not open the window of the car. We are inside, so I breathe aircon. Yeah, I know what's that. Because near in the ocean, really nice fresh air. Yeah, no traffic, yeah, really. Oh, there's a jeep. The potpourri is so nice. They're different to the pot in my place. The pot here is much more bigger than to my yeah. Okay, this is a bridge. What's this bridge?
Ay, sabihin kita mag-tukad bridge na.
Ha?
Sabihin kita mag-tukad bridge na. Until you tukad bridge.
Tukaan?
Tungkaan.
Dongkaan Bridge. I really miss going like this province. I really love. I want the view, I want the play, I want like adventure. Ha? Only 5 minutes more. We are in Lady Sam, Kuya.
Yeah.
5 minutes more, Daddy. We are already in your place, your house. Do you miss your place? Come on, come here na, the Philippines. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Tell the world I'm coming home. Daddy. Let the rain walk away. Jollibee! Where's the Oh! Oh, there's a Jollibee here. That's good. Oh yeah, we are near now. Oh my goodness, I don't believe that I'm here to your place now, Daddy. Thank you, Lord, because we got here. Thank you, Lord, because we got here safe. Thank you, Lord. Oh, there's a zigzag road.
Ito na, Tungkaan Bridge.
This is
Tungkaan Bridge.
Nagtahan?
Tungkaan Bridge.
Dongkaan Bridge. This is a Dongkaan Bridge, Daddy. Kuya said. Yeah, Dongkaan Bridge, the name. Dongkaan, yeah. Oh, so many boat there. Oh, boat there. Oh, outside. Yeah. What is the church? And this is the church?
Muslim.
Muslim church. Yeah. Oh, there's a big house. Big house.
Kitty.
Hello, Kitty. Oh, yeah. Thank you, Lord. We are near. Where is Lady Sam? Asan? Where? Where's the gate? Ah, this one! Oh, this is the Lady Sam. Oh, yeah. Wow, we are here, Daddy. Okay, bukas mga kuya. Yung door ko. Wait, i-open the I will go down. Okay, we are here now, Daddy. Oh, yeah. Yes. This is the Lady Sam, Daddy. I'm here in your house, Daddy. Daddy! Here. They're inside. Oh, see there. Emeline. Oh, see. Welcome to the Ladies Motel. Daddy. Ayun ang bigaw si Daddy yung taas. Yan ang bigaw. Ay ka, yan ang bigaw si Daddy. Oh. Ito, di ka Emeline. Yan ang bahay ni Daddy yung taas yung bigaw na yan. Yan ang kanila nila ma'am. Yan. I'll show them Daddy. Okay, let's go inside. Imabag natin na, pakibuhat nyo na lang. Okay. Wow, we are here now, Daddy. That is, yan yung paikot na. This one is your house, Daddy. And the top, up, until here. Okay. This down, wait, there's a door here. Oh. Oh, your garage is too big, so we held the party here in the garage. Oh, see there. Come on. Hi, Ima! Hello, Ima! How are you? Ito si Sunny. Daddy. Ima! Daddy, Ima. Hello. Daddy. And siya. Hello po. Good afternoon. Oy, nakausap ka. What are you asking? Ha? What at? This. Yeah, this one, no? That's nice. Yeah, we drink there and talking in the night. Wow. That's nice. And the flowers. It's so beautiful, the flowers, Daddy. Sunflower. Oh, that is the mango tree of Daddy's honey. Ah, there. Yeah, it's big already. Daddy, it's big. See, oh. See? The mango? But no. There's eggplant. Oh, yeah. Come on, let's go there, the apartment, Daddy. I'm here into your house, Daddy. Daddy, I'm home. Daddy, I'm home. Wait, later. Ima! Uy, kaninang lagot to? Where's Ima? This is the apartment open. Maybe this is one of the room. Wow, so nice. This is the apartment, Daddy. Oh! So nice. Oh. There's a second floor. Oh, where's Ima? I don't know. Wait, teka, usapin ko si Ima. Where's Ima? Wait, Daddy, ha? Ima's not here. Ibutaw mo na yan. There. Ima! Can you connect me to the internet? Kasi dito lang gamit ko para makita ni Daddy. Andiyan si Ivana? Where's Ivana? Yeah. Sino tutuloy dyan sa apartment? Kaninang room yan? Ah? Asan si Relin? Ah, nandiyan na. Ah, wala siya kanina? Ah, siya yun? Kanina pala wala siya? Ah, okay. Daddy! Oh! Yes! What? Yeah, I will. Pakiconnect ko ako sa wifi kasi ano siya, nangangatog na. Okay, I go there. I go with Emma to connect me in the wifi. Relin! Si Isis Relin nandyan? Wait, I will connect. Ay, teka lang.